Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to update Royal Match application. If you want to use the latest version of the application Royal Match so that you can play the game with bug fixes and performance improvement, then here's how you can update your game on your mobile device. First, go and open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Royal Match in the search box. Soon after you find the application, tap on it. Now, on the next page, if there is an update available for the app, it'll show you an update button at the top of this page. Simply tap the update button to get the latest release for the game, which comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement. Wait until the application update process is completed. And once it is done, tap on the open button to launch Open Royal Match app. And there you have successfully updated your Royal Match application. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.